This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, June 15th. Starting out with the stock index futures. Early yesterday, we did see some new highs in the Dow futures, but pressure developing later in the day with the Fed statement, which came in a little more on the neutral side and not as dovish as some analysts had anticipated. So that caused some pressure to develop later in the day, some follow-through weakness today. Plus, we do have the ramped up political uncertainties in Washington also adding to some of the selling in the indices. Longer term, though, we do feel that even with the rate increase from yesterday from the Fed, rates are still low enough to sustain the bull market. So we continue to expect higher prices longer term, including new highs, in fact, new record highs for all of the major stock index futures. In the currencies, the dollar index receiving somewhat of a boost with the Fed statement yesterday, although as has been in the past, I think the dollar index will tend to underperform bullish news. So I would look for these gains to be given back, or at least partially given back today in the dollar index. Longer term, I think we can see some pressure. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, some weakness developing with the Fed statement, as we mentioned, only neutral, not dovish. In the precious metals, some declines, especially in the gold, now moving back to a previous breakout to the upside level. However, now that the Fed meeting is out of the way, I think we can start focusing on other factors. I think inflation is going to start to ramp up a little bit more. So with the meeting out of the way, look for a new move higher. Still looking for new highs for the year above the 1300 level in the gold. So any breaks from here, even minor breaks from these lower levels, should be used as buying opportunities. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.